Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. Today's highlights: Indian Army advances modern warfare with Xploder and Agniastra technologies. Raksha Mantri interacts with senior leadership of US defense companies in Washington. The defense minister also visits top naval facilities and holds discussions to bolster US India defense ties. Johnette begins supply of its JF-2 advanced UAVs to Indian Army. India-Brazil Foreign Affairs Minister to discuss energy and defense cooperation. IIM Bangalore signs MOU with alum Mathew Cyriac to set up country's first center of excellence on PE and venture capital. Tamil Nadu-based space startup Space Zone launches India's first reusable hybrid rocket. In the global news, Estonia launches competition to host major foreign munitions firms. Hanwha opens vehicle production facility in Australia. The news in detail. Indian Army has introduced two innovative technologies, Xploder and Agniastra, developed by the Army Design Bureau. These technologies have been transferred for mass production, marking a key moment in the Army's Year of Technology Absorption initiative. The transfer of technology was facilitated by the Foundation of Innovation and Technology Transfer at IIT Delhi. The Xploder is a state-of-the-art unmanned ground vehicle designed to perform a variety of combat roles. With its all-terrain capabilities, Xploder is adept at conducting unmanned reconnaissance missions, delivering explosive payloads, and safely disposing of improvised explosive devices. Uniquely, Xploder features a self-destruct mode which enhances its utility in clearing enemy hideouts. Its application is not limited to combat scenarios. It is also suitable for disaster relief operations, showcasing its versatility in multiple environments. The Agniastra is a multi-target portable detonation system that enhances the Army's ability to conduct remote detonation across multiple targets. This system can be deployed manually or through unmanned aerial vehicles and UGVs, making it adaptable for both conventional warfare and counter-terrorism operations. Agniastra's capacity to target and destroy multiple locations with precision from extended ranges offers a significant tactical advantage, particularly in complex mission environments. The Raksha Mantri interacted with the senior leadership of US defense companies in Washington on 23rd of August in an industry roundtable organized by US-India Strategic Partnership Forum. He outlined the various emerging co-development and co-production opportunities in the defense sector in India. The planned co-production of GE 414 aero engines in India shall be a significant milestone in India-US bilateral relations. Partnership and joint efforts are the two key words that differentiate India's defense industry partnership with other nations. The event saw the attendance of senior leadership from prominent defense and technology companies from US such as Boeing, GE, General Atomics, General Dynamics Land Systems, L3 Harris, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon Technologies, Rolls-Royce and Thayer Mahan. Indian companies such as IdeaForge, Tata Sons and T-Second, along with senior leaders from the Cohen Group, attended the interaction. The business leaders briefly outlined their ongoing projects and future plans for India. The defense minister also visited one of the world's largest and most technically advanced water tunnel facilities for testing submarines and other naval weapons in the US amidst a proposal for the establishment of a similar facility for indigenous design and development in India. The William B. Morgan Large Cavitation Channel LCC is one of the world's largest and most technically advanced water tunnel facilities. It is capable of testing all types of ships and submarine propellers and propeller hull interactions with model scales sufficiently large to match the largest towing and turning basins in the world. The LCC is part of the Naval Surface Warfare Center Card Rock Division, one of the Navy's preeminent research and development facilities that specializes in critical ship and submarine design. Johnette Technologies has started supplying its JF-2 advanced UAVs to the Indian Army. The JF-2 is a fixed-wing, hand-launched stealth UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The JF-2 is equipped with day and night thermal imaging cameras, anti-jamming and anti-spoofing technologies, and a crash-resistant avionics bay. It has a range of 15 kilometers and an endurance of up to 90 minutes. Johnette Technologies has also secured a contract to supply over 150 JM-1 loitering munitions to the Army. These munitions feature artificial intelligence and anti-jamming technologies. These developments highlight India's growing capabilities in UAV technology and its commitment to self-reliance in the defense sector. Indian Institute of Management Bangalore has signed a memorandum of understanding with Florentry Advisors Private Limited to set up a global center of excellence, the Tony James Center for Private Equity and Venture Capital at the Institute. The mission is to create an ecosystem wherein academics, practitioners, and regulators collaborate to develop and nurture world class private equity and venture capital talent. The first of its kind center will serve as a hub for cutting edge research, education, and industry collaboration in the field of PEVC, where students will connect with industry leaders, gain hands on insight, and explore the latest trends in PEVC. It will host globally renowned experts for annual lectures, spearhead research on critical industry issues, and foster collaboration between academia and industry. Its influence will stretch far beyond the IIMB, contributing to the growth of the PEVC sector and making a large, lasting impact on both Indian and global economies. The Tamil Nadu-based startup Space Zone launched India's first reusable hybrid rocket mission Rumi 2024 on board a mobile platform from the TTDC ground in East Coast Road, Chennai, on 24th of August. Rumi 1 rocket launched 3 Cube satellites and 50 Pico satellites to a suborbital trajectory, and the aim of these satellites is to collect data for research purposes on global warming and climate change. Equipped with a generic fuel-based hybrid motor and electrically triggered parachute deployer, the rocket is 100% pyrotechnic and TNT free. In the global news, the Estonian Centre for Defence Investment has launched a competition for picking a munitions producer to set up shop at a military base in 2025, a move meant to jumpstart a domestic shell production industry. The ECDI, the procurement arm for the Estonian Defence Forces, announced the bid on 21st of August, calling on companies to submit their proposal by early October. The winner will be granted a space of approximately 8,900 square meters at the Amari military base, located southwest of the Estonian capital Tallinn, for up to 5 years. The site will include a maximum of 7 ammunition storage facilities, protective embankments, and communication equipment, according to an ECDI statement. The government's goal is to launch the production of ammunition for combat use in the first half of next year. Hanwha opened on its armored vehicle manufacturing facility in Geelong near Melbourne on 23rd of August. The South Korean group said its armored vehicle center of excellence is the first overseas production base established by a Korean defense company. The new facility, to be managed by subsidiary Hanwha Defence Australia, has been established to build for the Australian Army the Redback infantry fighting vehicle and the Huntsman family of vehicles comprising AS-9 155mm self-propelled howitzer and AS-10 armored ammunition resupply vehicle. The HAs will provide critical facilities supporting the production and sustainment of tracked armored vehicles, including multiple assembly lines, a 1200-meter test track, a deep water test facility, an obstacle course, and a research and development center. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.